Let me show you how to cancel an App Store subscription and get a refund. Now, if you're on the App Store and you wanted to cancel a subscription, but you also want to get your money back, maybe you didn't mean to buy that subscription, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we need to do is cancel that subscription first. You can either go into the App Store and tap on your profile at the very top right, or you can head into the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your name at the very top. You'll be able to see this is your Apple account, and you can see all of your subscriptions, your current ones, by going to Subscriptions midway down. This will show any active or inactive ones. Let's first go through the process of canceling it, then I'll show you how to get a refund. So tap on it, and let's say I wanted to cancel Apple One. All you need to do is scroll down and hit Cancel All Services. And then you can just hit Cancel here for any app that you paid for. However, let's say after we've done that, we also wanted to get a refund because we didn't mean to buy it. You're going to open up a web browser on any device. Again, this can be any device, but I'm going to do it on my iPhone. You can do it on an iPad or a Mac computer. And on here, we're going to go to the website reportaproblem.apple.com. Again, reportaproblem.apple.com, and hit go. Now, you need to log into your Apple ID account. So I'm going to use my Face ID here to log into my account. After I've logged in, I'm on Report a Problem, and it says, what can we help you with? This is where you're going to ask for a refund. It says, I would like to request a refund. And then on here, you can say, maybe I didn't mean to buy this, or I didn't mean to sign up for a subscription, something like that. Now let's hit next here. And you can see it says search by price. And then you can go down. Keep in mind, I don't have anyone that let me go to a different one, request refund. And then I didn't mean to buy this. So on here, it will show me various apps or any subscriptions that I paid for. To request the refund, all you need to do is select it and go through the process of requesting that refund. Of course, it won't let me for this specific one because I still have it ongoing. But if you just canceled one, you'll always be able to get that money back if you ask for it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.